Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Apache MAVEN on your Windows 10 computer. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. But before we get into the installation, we should first of all check if we have JDK, Java JDK on our system. Let's go check it out. Go to the start menu, then type CMD, hit enter. Here I will go for Java space dash version and hit enter. As you can see, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means I don't have any JDK installed on my system. So if you see this message, that means you don't have it. But if you have it, you will see another message, a different message telling you the version or showing you the version of the JDK. If you have that version, if you have JDK installed, please bear with me. Let me go install Java JDK for those who don't have it, please. Okay, I will go for Google and then type Java JDK, and I will go for the Java SE Development Kit 16. Go click that. Well, I have an Oracle account, but I'm not. I think you can download this if you are not signed in. But if you have no account with Oracle, you can go create an account in case it requires you to log in. And then scroll down. For Windows, let's go for the executable. Let's go for this one. For Windows, click to start, then accept the license and click download. It will take a while, maybe 1 minute for the download to finish. So as we wait for the download, please, I have a request. I need 1,000 subscribers, please. Below your screen on the right hand side, you will see that red subscribe button. Please help me subscribe to the channel. Click on that red subscribe button to support me, to motivate me to keep this channel alive. Then like the video. Subscribers are very, very important. If we don't have subscribers, if people watch our videos and they don't subscribe, you know, we get demoralized, as in, you know, it shows that people don't even value our content. Please help me subscribe, and thank you in advance. Here we have it already downloaded. Click on it to start the installation. The installation will take a while as well. I will have to accept yes. So go for next. So as you can see, the location of this file will be on the profile, on the program files. Don't change the location. Leave the default location and click on next. Then this installation will start in a jiffy. as you can see, we successfully installed Java JDK. So what we have to do is to close it. Now go to the start menu and type this and go for this computer. Click, the page will open. Let's go to our local disk, double click, then let's go for program files, open it, then let's look for Java. As you can see, we have Java here. Click, double click. Here is the JDK we just installed. What you have to do is to double click again and then go double click again on bin. Then here, click on here to get the location. Then copy the location, right click and copy. Then go back to the start button and then type env. Click on edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Here under user variables for user, click on new, then type Java home, Java underscore home. Then here under variable value, right click and paste without the bin. Let's take the bin out and then click OK. So we have that here. Then go for the system variables, go look for paths. As you can see, path, double click here, go for new, then right click and paste. This time around including the bin, then click OK, then click OK, then click OK. Let's go check if we have Java. Previously is not recognized. Let's go again, close the command prompt, go to the search bar, type cmd, enter. Now let's check Java space dash version, enter. Yeah, we have it, Java version, successfully. So we have it on our system right now. So after that, let's go get the Apache MAVEN installed. Let's go back to our browser, then type Apache MAVEN org. That will take you here. Then go click on this download. Scroll down. We are going for the binary zip archive. Under link, go click on this part, Apache MAVEN 381 bin zip. Downloading. So here, when we go to the downloads, click on the downloads directory. Here you can see the Apache MAVEN that we downloaded. Right click on that, then click on extract here. Extract here. We have it extracted. Let's go look for that. Let me scroll down and look for that. So here we go. We have it here. Right click and cut. Click on cut because we want to locate it to another folder. Click on cut. You can either go here and click program files if you have it, Or if you don't want to go through this process, you can go back and click this PC, and go to this PC, go to local disk, then go to program files. When you are here, right click outside and click paste. You will need to provide administrator permission. Yes, continue. Here we go. We have it here. Right now, let's go check if we have Maven CMD. Type CMD and click enter. So let's check MVN space dash version. As you can see, MVN is not recognized as an internal or external command. So what we have to do is to go back, open this Apache MAVEN, double click, then double click again to open the bin. So here, go here and click. You can see this place, click there, and then right click and copy the location. When you have it copied, go click on the start button again, then type env. Go click on edit the system environment variables. It will open. Then go click on environment variables. Under the user variables for user, go click on new. Then for variable name, type Maven underscore home, then paste the location, excluding the bin, remove the bin and the backslash, okay, and this, okay. Then click OK. Again, go for the under the user variables for user, click new, click on that new button. This time around, type m2 underscore home. Then again, for variable value, paste that location, excluding the bin, and click OK. Why we have these two is because some applications, they don't recognize, some recognize M2, some recognize Maven. When we have them added, the next thing we should do is to come under this system variables, under path, PATH, then double click, then go for new, click on new, then right click and paste that link. This time around, including the bin, don't remove the bin, and click OK, and again click OK, and again click OK. Now let's go check. Go to the start button again, click on that start button, type CMD, hit enter, then let's go check MVN space dash version. Here we go. We have it successfully added. So this is how it works. This is how you can successfully install Maven. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, help me click on that red subscribe button below your screen by the right hand side, so that you will help keep this channel alive. Without you guys, I'm going nowhere. When you watch and you think that the video is helpful and subscribe, it will motivate me to keep on uploading more videos of this kind. Like the video. Thank you and God bless.